Hey guys, doing something a little different today. I'm doing a meetup tomorrow for three 2080 Ti's, and as of right now, I don't have room for them, so I'm going to piece together a rig. So I have the rack here, 2x1 foot rack. I made some extra little arm pieces here from a different rack, so it's just this side rail with all of them cut, just to give me a nice place to set the GPUs on. I have an old home theater PC that I'll be using. Got a solid state drive, a couple of risers and their cables, server power supply with breakout board, and a bunch of miscellaneous 6-pin to 8-pin cables. So I'm going to get this guy all set up, get it prepped for tomorrow so I can just throw the cards on and be ready to go. And then I'll order parts for another rig in the next couple of weeks. Let's see how far we can get on this tonight. Alright, have my solid state drive in there. Server PSU, got a little piece of foam underneath it. Have my stand-in video card for now. One riser going down. I have 3 slots that I can use, so I'm hoping I can get all 3 of those working today without having to use a splitter. I'll know for sure once I get the cards in. So since this isn't an actual mining motherboard, I'm going to disable a few things. I'm going to go down to advanced mode. First, I'm going to set this to Gen 1. You might be able to do Gen 2. Then I'm going to go to onboard devices. I'm going to disable the HD audio. I'm going to make sure that the integrated graphics are disabled. And then I'm going to set this to PCIe for primary display, so it always makes sure that it uses the video card. Restore AC after power loss. So I am going to set this to power on. So if it loses power, it'll automatically turn back on. Something like this doesn't have above 4G decoding, but that would be another thing that you can enable. So now I am going to save changes and reset. So I have PCI speed down to Gen 1. You can try Gen 2. Disabled the built-in graphics and disabled the built-in audio. Awesome, booting right up. This is already pre-formatted with Windows. I took it out of another mining rig, so I don't have to go through all that today. Getting devices ready. To get this prepped for the video cards tomorrow, I'm going to use NV Clean Install and manually install the driver. I'm going to go down to 45751. Pretty stable driver for older cards. If you have a card that's newer than that, this won't work. It's my trusted go-to driver. Just going to do display driver, and it'll just start copying the files. And this only installs what you need just for the video card itself. None of the extras that you would get with a normal NVIDIA driver.
24 hours later.
Got that fresh pickup. So 3 2080 Ti's, all different brands here. Got the Asus ROG Strix. Got a PNY. Okay. And then the other one back there without a box, that's an EVGA. I'm happy about the Asus and the EVGA for sure. But let's see how this PNY is. Picked them up locally from OfferUp. When I opened them up, they were actually still warm from mining. So I feel pretty confident that the cards are good. So gonna get inside, get them installed. Alright, got them all in. Windows booted right up. They're just installing the drivers. We got a bit of a wobbler though. Definitely going to need a new fan on that one. The other ones seem to be alright. Wait for this to finish updating. Get to hashing. Success. The PNY ended up doing a soft crash at 1200 memory, so I had to bring it down to 1100. But that guy has got a lot of watts to it. I knew I was getting Samsung memory on 2 of them. I had them do a GPU Z, and I knew one of them was Micron, but it's still hashing at 61. Temporary Frankenstein build is complete then. Alright, thanks for hanging out today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and I will see you on the next one. Later.